Windows stuck and I want to move. Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to fix it in 3 minutes with the XTOOL Prodigy. Tesla dedicated cable for all models. OBD2 cable. Cigarette lighter cable. USB Type B to Type C cable. First, plug in the Tesla RJ45 cable. Second, connect with the OBD2 cable. Third, connect it with the VCI box. The cigarette lighter is here. Power on the VCI box. USB Type B port. And finally, the Type C connection. VCI is connected. Enter diagnostic. Choose EV. And find Tesla. This is a Model 3. The functions are all in the network diagnosis. This is the wiring diagram. Okay. Before executing the function, we need to stop the brake and turn on the right turn signal and keep it until the unlocked prompt appears. When the countdown appears, we have successfully unlocked the gateway. Search window. Search window calibration. And ensure that all doors are closed. Let's go. Professional EV diagnostics and supports all Tesla models. Thanks for watching, and if you found it helpful, like, follow, and share. I'll bring more EV tips the next time.